Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video and to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet in 2024, okay? First, you have to go over to your Google product where you have this dotted icon here. Click on it and you can see Google Meet right there. And so just let it load up. The next thing you're going to do is go over to new meetings, okay? So if you are being sent a code, all you have to do is just click on the code and you're going to join this meeting automatically. But if you are the one creating this meeting, then you're going to come over to new meeting, click on it, and here you can actually create a meeting for later, which means you can create the link to this meeting and share to whoever you want to join this meeting via their Gmail or any social media platform that you know that they can get the link. So another one is start an instant meeting, and another one is schedule in Google Calendar. So this means that you can actually create the link to this meeting and set up a reminder for that particular date and time for this meeting, okay? So now I'm going to start an instant meeting, all right? So let's just click on start an instant meeting and join it. So here you can see it's asking me to allow my microphone and camera. And if you allow this option, it means you're going to join in with your video on, all right? And so if you continue without camera and microphone, it means you're going to join without your camera and your microphone is not going to be active. So I'm going to click on allow microphone and camera. Okay. Okay. So, okay, guys. Hi. So I got it, and here you're gonna see your meeting is ready. So here you can add any other person that you want to join this meeting by sending this link to them. Okay. So first of all, you can see these buttons right here. To this extent, I'm gonna be walking you through the functionalities of these buttons right here. So first is my microphone. I can choose to turn it on or off. Okay, and this is the camera. So if you switch off this camera, you're going to join this meeting without your camera. And if you switch it on as well, you're going to join the meeting with your camera. So it's going to be on right now. Okay. So here you have reactions. This is like if you're having a meeting and someone is saying something that interests you or funny, or you just want to react by sending emojis. This is where you can do that. Okay. So let us wait for it to load up. Okay, so you can see these icons right here. Now it's saying no, I don't like what you said. It's saying ha ha ha. Yeah, what you said is interesting. So these are all reactions, okay? And so the next one is present. Now you can use this to present your screen, okay? This is for you to present your screen and also share tab audio, whereby when you're talking, people can hear you, okay? So this is basically for presentations. You want to present something in the meeting. This is where you're gonna do that, and when you're done just click on cancel and then we're back. So here is when you want to raise your hand, someone is talking, you want to say something, you raise your hands. You can see smash this up, just raise their hands. And so the next thing also here is more option, okay? So this is to change the layout of your screen, and this is to maybe enlarge your picture or just enlarge your screen. And here is open picture in picture. So this is very important because you might be in a meeting and you're working on the other side of the screen. Okay, so right now I am in this meeting right here, and here I am working. I'm doing something else. So my meeting is not affected in any angle. Okay, I'm still in the meeting, but I am still working. And when I am done, so this is just like you opening another window. Okay, that's just how I want to summarize it. You opening another window without your meeting being affected. Your audio and everything is still intact. And when you're done, just come over to bring the call back here, and then you are back to your meeting. So that is it for it. And then you come over to apply visual effects. So this is actually a very interesting feature. And so here now you can change the background of your video, okay, of where you are. You can change the background. So let's try this out. So you can actually change the background of where you are. Let's see. So this enables you to change. Okay, your computer might slow down. Okay, so but just bear in mind that this allows you to change the background of where you are. Okay, so it's another fun feature that is in Google Meet. All right, so this is the appearance. So here you can adjust the way your video appears when you're having a meeting. Okay, adjust video lighting. You can make it dimmer, you can make it brighter, and you can just choose the style. And this is where you can actually configure your video settings. All right. So when you're done here, you just click and come back. So I don't. Let's check if we have more options. Okay. So here is the turn on caption. All right. So you can now see what's happening here. Caption have been turned on, so everything I say, it's going to appear on the screen. Okay, everything I say is going to appear right here on the screen. And when you're done with that, you're going to still come over here and turn that off. Okay, so on this angle here, you can see show for everyone because you are the admin. All right, so you can see the number of people that are in your meeting. Okay, so right here you have the number of people that are in your meeting. Right now, I'm just the only one, okay? And here you can add people. Here you can actually search for a person that you expect to be in the meeting, okay? You can actually search for anybody you want to search for here. And let us see, control. So this is the control of the host. You who is hosting this meeting, this is where your power lies. So here you can share your screen. You can mute anybody that you want to mute. Okay, turn on their microphone. You have the power to do that here. Turn on their video. You can do that here. Meeting access. This is just about your control. Okay, it's about your control in the meeting. So it is all about that. So let's see. Meeting access type. Okay, open. No one has to ask to join. Anyone can dive in. Okay, so this is if you don't need them to start asking for permission to join, because if you are very conversant with Google Meets, you can see that when you click on the link, it's definitely going to ask you. It's going to pop up a question like ask to join. So the admin needs to let you in. So if you don't want that, you can just leave it open. Okay, so anybody can just join your meeting. All right. So send chat messages, you can switch that on. So this is just the host control of Google Meet. Okay, so that is it. Okay, that is it for Google Meet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned how to use Google Meet. You can see it is very easy to maneuver. So I don't think there's any other thing here I've not told you guys. So this CNC is for caption that I have already mentioned in this video. And so guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye. And so when you're done, just click on the red icon here to leave the call. So guys, bye.